reformation is not permissible in religion. If the reform of the Quran and the Sunnah is in the sense that these theologians understand, there will be no such thing as religion. When the man dismisses the hadith, he says that as long as it does not contradict the Quran, we can adapt it. This word is not enough, it's not true. Why is it not true? Did they try to reduce the 5 daily prayers to 3 like the Shia? They're trying, aren't they? Yasar Nuri and others. So the issue of 3 times of prayer, does it say 5 times in the Quran? It does not. Therefore, this does not contradict the Quran. Then it will soon be reduced to 3. Therefore, unless it is contrary to the Quran, it is not scientifically correct. As long as it does not contradict the Sunnah, as long as it does not contradict the Hadiths, is it enough? Again, it is not enough. The fiqh of the mujtahids. I'm not saying that Hanifi, Shafi. What am I saying? The 4 sects have transmitted to us the rulings deduced from all the verses and hadiths for 1200 years by our scholars. And the whole ummah has accepted this for 1200 years. Abu Sud became Shaykhul Islam. He wrote a tafsir that the Arabs cannot replicate. Arabs can't understand it. Such a scholarly man. Did he belong to a sect? He was Hanafi. If you are Izzuddin Abdul Salam, you are Shafi'i. If you are Nawawi, you are Shafi'i. If you are Fakhrul Razi, you are Shafi'i. If you are Taftazani, you are Shafi'i. If you are Omar Nasafi, you are a Maturidi, a Hanafi. Do you understand? Did Imam al-Ghazali say that I am a mujtahid? He never left the footsteps of Imam Shafi'i. Because there is a hadith sharif that points to each of these persons. There are always true hadiths. These are our Allah's way of completing His religion. The Diyanet provides some amenities and gives permissions. It does. What can it do? Because of the circumstances of life. And this should be given according to what? If the 4 sects are given according to a view that is not even contrary to the view of a mujtahid by staying within the fiqh, we have nothing to say about it. We don't say why you gave this permission here. The hadith says that Allah loves to do the obligatory deeds and He also loves to do the permissible deeds. There is convenience in Islam. But what does convenience not mean? There is no convenience to reduce 5 times to 3. There is no such convenience as performing ablution with socks on your feet. There is no such convenience as anointing on bare feet. Therefore, our religion truly has constants and immutables. No one can play with these. No one will dare to play with them, God willing. If Allah has promised to preserve the Quran, the Sunnah and fiqh are included in this. Religion consists of fiqh anyway. Because what is fiqh? They are the judgments that come out of verses and hadiths. Otherwise, anyone who says, I am not subject to this fiqh, I am not subject to one of these sects, must be a mujtahid.